Hey, what's up guys, my name is Rahul and you're watching Beast Update. In this video I'm unboxing Boya BY-M1 mic, but before that subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time I post new video. So let's jump into it guys. Let's unbox this box guys. I have ordered this from Amazon. You can also order this from any other app like Flipkart or eBay. There is a small difference between the prices of both three apps, but it's up to you where you want to buy it from. Lots of paperwork. Let's see what is in the box. There are some instruction behind this box, like transducer, polar pattern, frequency range, signal noise, sensitivity, output impedance, connector, accessories included, battery type, dimensions, weight, everything. Let's unbox this box. First you can see the leather pouch of Boya mic with Boya logo. Instruction manual. If you want to read this one you can read it, but I don't like to read this. This is warranty card, and let's see what's inside. This is important stuffs, and finally this is a mic. This is the mic, and you can see the wire quality is good, not so much good but good, and this is 3.5mm jack, and these are all the stuffs which we get in this. Let's open this small packet. What's inside this? You can see this is the small sponge which you can put it on your mic to save it from the saliva which comes out from your mouth. This is the connector by which you can connect this one from your laptop, and this is the small clip by which you can clip this to your shirt, and a small battery. Don't worry to change battery again and again because it consumes very less power. As you can see, I have put it in my shirt, and here's some buttons of this by which you can connect it camera, you can off this mic or connect it to smartphone. I will give the full review of this mic in my second video, so stay tuned with me guys, and thanks for watching.